Tonight's top story: before the COVID-19 pandemic, the Regional Victim Crisis Center created the Violence Prevention Coalition, designed to bring community leaders in Abilene together. Due to the lack of in-person interaction, the RVCC is launching a video podcast to reach the community in a safe way. KRBC's Dan Booth has that story.
Identify areas of needs and then fill those gaps with whatever organizations are willing to step up to the plate.
In order to address problems facing the Key City, the Regional Victim Crisis Center plans to get the community involved by launching a video podcast.
Whether it be drugs and alcohol, whether it's domestic violence, whether it's sexual abuse, we really want to attack the risk factors that people are facing so that we can maybe prevent them from becoming a victim or maybe prevent them from perpetrating a crime.
Williams says the podcast will hold one-on-one conversations with community leaders of all ages, as well as people who have seen or experienced risk factors in Abilene.
This is going to be a big cross-section so we can try to get valuable information that is pertinent to solving problems quickly.
The RVCC received a grant from the Texas Association Against Sexual Assault, which included equipment for the podcast and other technological resources as well.
We can work on this wonderful message we want the community to be aware of with quality equipment that wouldn't have been possible without this grant.
During the pandemic, the RVCC has had to counsel clients virtually, and Wawerna says the increased use of technology has created more ways for them to help victims in need.
Even in the worst of times, there are silver linings, and anything that allows us to continue to give quality service and strengthen that service, we're going to embrace that and move forward.
For BigCountryHomepage.com, I'm Dan Booth.
Thank you, Dan. The first episode of the RVCC's podcast is expected to drop before the end of September. And for more information, you can check out BigCountryHomepage.com.